Hello people of the world, I'm Brad Roche and this is my bike check. I have a We the People Arcade 2010 frame and fork. It came as a complete. It's no longer a complete bike. Let's start from the front now. Alright, right by the hands I've got Fly Pheno extra long grips, or 7 inches long. Shadow Conspiracy purple anodized aluminum bar ends. They're beat to hell. Then come down, hyper brake lever for the front. Perfect 10 bars. And Odyssey Tektro, I don't know how to say it. Rear brake lever, dial to the touch, and again the Fly Pheno, Shadow Conspiracy. We follow this white Odyssey cable back straight to Fly brakes, Fly pads, dialed, and I don't know what kind of bridge that is, but it works good. I shredded the cable today, put this new white one on. We're looking good. And we have a black hyper cable running down through the head tube, through the stem, going to a front brake. Just put it on today. You know, kind of do some imitation foot jams and stuff. It gets kind of fun. I like my bike the way it is. I don't really care what anybody else thinks. People think it's gay. I like it. Yellow cable tie from Dance Comp, free. And I don't know what kind of pads those are, but they need to be changed out. I'll probably put some Fly pads on there because I like how the flies grab. They're not so responsive, but when you want them to stop, they can stop. Coming down, again the arcade fork. Got the shit beat out of it. Salt stock rim, Salt stock hub. They came unsealed bearings. I put sealed bearings in. They have a Odyssey Aiken K-Lite front tire. Not too much wear on it. I had it for about 6 months. I really love this tire. Let's go Diamondback peg. People say they're heavy. I don't care. I don't need that light with that lightweight bike. Shadow Conspiracy headset. Salt stock stem. 10mm spacer. And Salt stem bolt thing, washer, majigger. Come down the frame, right to a stock Salt unsealed bottom bracket. I'm upgrading really soon to sealed because it's gonna blow up soon. And come down the crank, Salt stock cranks. They're very light and they're very strong. Other than me have to add a few spacers in there because they didn't come with them when I bought the bike, of course. E-clap pedals. I ride dirt a lot, so they're covered in dirt. I'm missing a lot of pins, but I usually don't ride these for dirt. I was just too lazy to take them off. I've been riding park lately. I usually ride the metal specialized pedals because they keep the teeth for a long time, the pins. Stock Salt chain wheel, 25 tooth, Shadow Conspiracy, orange chain with 8 blue links, because I do that kind of stuff. Shadow Conspiracy valve stems. They cost like $2, why not? And come back to a Haro rim. Haro, but it's a 3-paw driver, sealed driver. So it's very, very loud, which is what I like. Sounds like a lawnmower when you move it real quick, but that's kind of cool. Come back, Tom white wall, rear tire that's bald, and it's not a white wall, but you get the point. Stock salt seat clamp, seat post clamp thing, stock salt seat post, and We the People arcade suede cushiony seat. But it's cushiony and it's still little, so that's kind of cool. I like my bike just the way it is. I don't give it a shit how big my bars are. I got front brakes. I don't give a shit. It's my bike. I like how it rides.